Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. And today you will see how to crochet amazing floral cord. This is my own pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, beads, and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. 169 meters in 50 grams. Let's get started. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead, then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Pull little bead, chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. Here it is. My base for the segment is ready. Continue, make a chain. Make single crochet into the same chain stitch. Make a chain of 4 for the chain space. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's crochet the petal. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch. I skip 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 strings into each chain stitch. 1 and 2. Well done. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make single crochet. Continue, then single crochet more into the chain space. Let's crochet the second petal. I continue working on my round with petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch and make 2 strings, 1 and 2. Two and 2 through the next stitch. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread, make single crochet. 1 and 2. Chain of 4 for the next petal. Yarn over the hook and 2 strings through the second stitch. Continue 2 strings through the next chain stitch and make 2 strings through the next stitch. Pull through all loops and pull through. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I have done 3 petals. Continue, chain of 4 for the petal. I will show you how to crochet step by step from the beginning to the end. This petal, make 2 strings into the second chain stitch. My flower consists of 7 petals. This is the 4th one. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Chain off 4 for the chain space and make strings 1, 2, continue 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. And 2 single crochet to the chain space. One, two, three, four, 5. Let's crochet the 6th one, make chain of 4, make strings 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pull through loops, make a chain and 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make strings 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Pull through loops of the hook. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Let's repeat one more time. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My cute flower is ready. I straight up my petals. My first cute segment is ready in this cord. Let's look at the back side. There is no strings on the back side. And now I show you how to continue working on the next segment. Let's make the transition part. Make chain of 2, 1, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the single crochet, make double crochet. Then I am working the same way as I showed you before. Make a chain, take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain with bead. I take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain with bead, then chain of 5 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work with a slip stitch into the chain stitch with bead. I started the second segment. Here how it looks. As I did before, make a chain, make single crochet into the same chain stitch. Let's crochet the first petal. Make a chain of 4. Yarn over the hook and make strings 1, 2, 3, then 2 strings through the next stitch and 2 strings through the next stitch. Pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make single crochet, then single crochet more into the same chain space. Chain of 4 for the next petal. Make strings 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Pull through loops on the hook. Make 2 single crochet into the chain space. I have done 2 petals, so in total it should be 3 petals on this side. I continue working on the next petal. Chain of 4 for the next petal. Make strings 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make single crochet. Then single crochet more. Then chain of 4 for the next petal and make strings 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then pull through loops on the hook, make a chain. I continue working with the second side. Insert the hook into the chain space and make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. You should make 3 more petals on this side. You should make them in the same way as I showed you before. In total it should be 7 petals. Once I have done the last one, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, continue, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch to complete this round. My flower is ready, so each flower has 7 petals. So I am done the second segment, and let's crochet the next one. 1, 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, make a chain, take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain with a bead, and so on. It's not difficult to make. You should continue working in this way as many times as you need for your project. Next time I will show you how to complete the cord. Once I have done the last segment, let's look at the back side. And now I show you how to complete this project. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain. If you would like to make jewelry, you should leave a long piece of yarn to sew additional tools. So my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create such kind of project. And I remind you, each flower has 7 petals. Let's look here how it looks on my hand. Also, it could be perfect to create headband for summer, or necklace, or belt. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me. For example, I have done exact flower but using another color of yarn. You can use them like a separate motif. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And good luck in crocheting. Bye!